What's up, everybody? Appreciate you all for joining the channel. HRT here. I'm here for what? I'm here to inform the market. This is my setup. This is my strategy. Once I get my setup, once I get my strategy, I go ahead and take a trade, right? Go ahead and execute my plan. That's what I do every single day. And today is Friday. It's the last week of the market, all right? There's nothing else to say other than that, right? It doesn't matter what day it is. We go every day in the market with our same plan, same strategy, same goal in mind, right? Let us begin real quick here. Right now, you're looking at it's Tesla. Tesla in the pre-market. We have about 10 minutes or so before the market opens. So let's go ahead and go through our plan. I went ahead and outlined our supply and demand level, right? Every day I trade what? I trade supply and demand, right? I trade what? Supply and demand. And where do I identify supply and demand? Wicks. Candle wicks is where it's at when it comes to, identifying supply and demand at the higher time frame. And I trade at the 10-minute time frame, right? This is the 10-minute chart right here. I don't look at any other chart. I don't remember the last time I looked at any other, chart. So as you can see right here, this is the pre-market, and we have a wick right here. What happened when the price came here? Sudden reaction, right? Cool. We'll go ahead and mark it green, right? That's an important spot. Cool. And then where's another spot right here? Take a look right here. There's a wick right here. I don't know if you guys see it. Let me get it up close real quick for you. There's a right here. Take a look at that. There's a wick right here. And this is the wick I was first. Let me go ahead and make it a little bit right there, right on it. All right, cool. This wick right here, bounce out. This wick right here, bounce out. Now the question is, why did I make this red and this one green? Well, the reason why is that because this one, look what happened yesterday, right? Look what happened yesterday. Price dipped below this level, right? And came to it and had a wick. Came to it again, had a wick. So this level is a strong spot. It has wicks. It reacts. Every time it reacts. So that's why we went ahead and marked it, right? This whole area seems to be sellers. Cool. And the price is below. Look at that. Every time it comes to it, it has this reaction on the downside, right? Pushing it down, pushing it down. Look, oh, this wick is very interesting. We'll get to that another time. All right, cool. Cool. And here we go. This one right here, this is the pre-market high today, right? This is the high guy. It has a little wick right here, but this wick, I looked around to see any more supporting wicks at this level, along with this wick right here, this little wick right here. I didn't find it. I didn't find much, but I went up a little bit and I noticed something. I went ahead and marked it this color. What do we see here? Look at this. This is right here. This is what? Right here, this level. There's a wick right here. What else do we see? Also right here, this wick. So that's why I decided to go ahead and mark that level. Bam. It's not an accident where the price came here and then kind of retraced. Why is that? Look what happened with this wick right here. Look at this wick right here, right? This is an important level, right? Came here, reacted. He went underneath it, react underneath it. Came to it and while he was below it, got rejected. Again, rejected. So this is an important level. So this is Tesla. This is our what? Our Tesla game plan. So let us now go to SPY real quick. Again, we have a few minutes here for the market open. Let's go through our game plan. I found it very difficult in charting today. It looks like a mess, as you guys can see. Normally, this is not how my charts always look at all, actually. But it just looks like a mess today, charting the supply and spots for SPY today. I find it quite interesting. All right, cool. All right, let me see here. All right, cool. So as you guys can see, look at this level here. It's from yesterday, right? What happened when the price came here? So I went ahead and marked that spot, right? These spots right here, the white line, there's this little glowing white line. They're from the daily. So we can just ignore that for now, right? Look at that right here. Look what happened here. I went ahead and marked it. It also has supports, right? You guys, brothers right here, I call them. Cousins, brothers, family members, name it, right? They're all right here. Cool. And this right here, this wick right here, you guys see this wick? He also got many family members I went ahead and marked the family members. All right, just like that. Price came, the rich family stepped in and picked it up. All right, I'm just trying to find some cool analogy. All right, let's go with it here. They stepped in, boom, 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 bought more real estate. Let's go, let's go, let's go, and then they became wealthy, just like that. Right? Cool. All right, same here. There's a level right here. There's a wick right here. This little wick right here in the pre-market, I went ahead and tried to mark it because he has a family here and he has a family right here, and as well as yesterday. You see that? So this is not as strong as the other ones, but this level still, at the end of the day, is important. You know what I'm saying? I should probably make it. No, actually, it is important. I got one over here and then two over here, so it is an important level. All right, cool. This is what we're looking at right now for SPY. As you guys can see, the price is just like, what is going on right here? What? So today we may not get our setup. Today we may not get our setup, but we'll wait. What is going on? Yo! We don't really care. I'll be honest with you. I trade my setup, I trade my strategy. Let's go. That's it. That's it. So now that the price, oh my goodness, something's happening here. Yo, the market just like flushed, and there's only 5 minutes left before the market open. All right. Anyway, let us go ahead and continue to focus on our mapping our plan. As you guys can see, everything I've been doing, all these marking stuff like that, has been nullified because now the price moved away from it. Right now I have to create a new one, which is fine. So we're gonna take a look at what happened here, where this price is currently at right here, and there's a wick right here. So we could go ahead and mark this wick as an important level. Right, this is where the price is at. Yes, it came down all the way here. This is like yesterday's low, or even like not even yesterday. This is like how many days? 1, 2, 3 days low. Right, let's go ahead and mark all the way here. You're gonna find something interesting. You're gonna find what? Something interesting. What happened when the price came in this area? It reacted. You know what that tells you? I'm gonna wait. What does that tell you? That tells you price moving up and down is not random. I repeat, price moving up, you know what I mean? Fluctuating, it's not random. It's not. I used to think it was random. That's when I was new. That's when I was a baby. You know what I'm saying? But as I acquired more and more knowledge, back at it again, showed up to class every day, and I realized, oh, okay. Stocks don't trade random. They do not trade random. I need to emphasize that because as a new person, in the world of trading and stocks, you kind of first get that into your mind, like maybe it's random. But it's not random. You'll be actually surprised how it's further away from being random, because sometimes when major news comes, oftentimes that major news comes when the stock price is at a really major level. You know what I'm saying? It's not like, so that kind of question a little bit. You start to question your existence, let's just say, at that point. All right. So cool. I think we can mark all the way here. This is fine. Let's go ahead and mark this one too. I don't know if it's gonna come all the way here. But again, this is quite shocking to us right now, but we're gonna go ahead and mark it. All right. We marked our levels. That's all we need to. I don't think we need to do any other further marking. We are fine. Our chart at this point looks like a mess with a bunch of lines on them. But again, ideally you want a clean chart, and it is technically clean. It's not with a lot of indicators and stuff like that, but this is simple. So let us sit back. Let us relax. All right. Let us sit back. Let us relax. We wait when the market opens. All right, here we go. Market just opened right now. Oh my goodness, opened all the way down here. We could buy a call right here. But I'm not gonna do it though, because what? We're way below the VWAP. I don't like that. You know what I'm saying? I do not like that. SPY is not looking good for a call right now until, oh wow, it actually could be looking good for a call because the VWAP is catching up to the fall. So when the VWAP is catching up to a downfall, it's an indication of a potential reversal. That's what I've noticed in the past, actually. right? Let's go ahead and take a look at SPY and see how that bad boy is reacting. I'm gonna wait for a little bit to trade SPY. Oh, not too bad, not too bad. We could take a put right here for sure. You know, we have a wick right here, we have a wick right here, so we could definitely take a put right here. We're getting this bounce out. I'm gonna go ahead and take a light put on Tesla real quick. Just one put. Oh, that was not a good idea. We went right past it. My bad. Yeah, I did took an L by that. I immediately sold it. I thought we're gonna maintain this wick, and you guys didn't even get a chance to see it. Oh, you guys did get a chance to see it. I want to see if this wick gets cleared here. All right, let's take a look at SPY. Yeah, that kind of that reacted pretty fast there. All right, let's have two. Let's have two real quick so we can see. We don't miss both of them. I think we're gonna see both. I think there's something looking good for both of them here. Yeah. There's a reason why I wanted to take a put on that spot because I saw a wick, but immediately got cleared and immediately sold it. So let's go ahead and refresh our P&L real quick. All right, cool. So this is what SPY is doing right now. Let's focus here. All eyes on these two right now. What the heck just happened? All right. All eyes right now. Here we go. Right now, Tesla's getting a wick already before even reaching here, which is fine. SPY may reverse, but I'm gonna wait a little bit longer. I'm gonna wait. Still below the VWAP. I'm still gonna wait. Tesla is doing numbers right now, moving up beautifully. If it hits right here, I'm gonna go ahead and take a light put. Of course I will, because this is a level. This is a level. It's gonna be the fourth time it's gonna come there. I might take an L on this trade, but it's all right. It's part of my setup. It's part of my, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and take a put right here because it came to that level. I should have probably waited until I see a wick, but it's fine. I went ahead and entered it. It's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and enter again. I'm not seeing wicks, so this is pretty dangerous. Okay, I'm seeing some wicks. I'm seeing some wick here. So let's make our focus on Tesla right now. We are in what? We're in Tesla. TSLA, and I'm not seeing no wick. You see that? When you're not seeing wick, you gotta be careful. So we went ahead and entered it again, and it's passing, so we have to call our L. All right, that's fine. That's fine. Again, I'm entering pretty fast here. We're fine. Oh, now we got the wick. Now we got the wick. Okay. Okay, now we actually got the wick. Yeah, it's a little too late though. Not gonna lie. And I've also entered too. We got a wick underneath, so I'm fine to continue entering here. But it's pretty dangerous. The wick's not getting cleared. We need to see a push down. Oh, it's going above us, so now I have to be careful. Oh, I sold it accidentally. I'm gonna buy more. Yep, I think the wick is now clearing. Come on, clear. Push it down. Push it down. It's not happening. So we got to be careful with this. We need to be careful here. We need to be what? Careful. This wick's not getting cleared. It looks like it's struggling to get cleared. So this could be a continued move up. We need to be careful. Oh, good. Now the wick got really stronger. Good. We're seeing more wick now. We're seeing more wick. Come on. We need to be careful though, of course. This is very because he went right above it. We're gonna be careful. It's good that we're seeing the wick. It's getting pushed down. It's fine. I think SPY is also doing well. Let me take a look at SPY. Not the best start for us today. It's a little shocking to me, but it's fine. Huge opening, major opening today on Tesla here. Good. The wick's getting cleared, so very good. We got to this level here. Let's go ahead and sell it. Sell some here. Okay. Let's also sell. Yo, I need to like use my phone because at this point I'm not seeing a I'm not seeing my what's it called? Oh yeah, what am I doing? It's right here. My bad. Okay, you guys cannot see the other one. Oh, there we go. Now you guys can see the other one. Okay, cool, 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 cool. Beautiful wick here. So we can continue to hold it, see if we're gonna break this level. See if we're gonna break that red level. Good, very good. Very, very good. We broke the red level. So we can continue to hold this one. See how well we're gonna do. Wow, what a major. I have to sell here, guys, because it's the VWAP. I don't want to risk the VWAP spot. We made $94, but I know we could have done better though. You know what I'm saying? This is very intriguing. This is very, very intriguing here. I wish, yeah, this is quite shocking to me. All right. Very well, very well. I mean, the position went into our side. Got rattled, I'm not gonna lie. I got a little spooked. All right, got a little spooked there, buddies. Not sure what I just said. So, yeah, this is a beautiful. Oh my goodness, what a rejection here! Like, absolutely, what a rejection. I had to sell at the VWAP, guys. I had to respect that, understand that this is the VWAP retest. I have to sell it, but I know that you know, when it got here, I went ahead and I think I did fine. I did fine. Maybe I'm just don't like the fact that I'm not a 100 plus. But it is Friday, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh, you're right now, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm right now psychologically. I'm gonna be 200 with you guys. Okay, I'm sorry. Spy looks like a mess. I'm not looking at Spy today. I'm not looking at Spy today. Let's. I like to see clarity here. So right now, I had to sell here because this is a VWAP retest. This was a beautiful trade. This was a beautiful trade. What a crazy trade I experienced right now. Psychologically, right now, I'm gonna be 100 with you guys. Not stable. I'm not stable right now. Psychologically, HRT, not stable right now. All right. Okay, we're getting rejection at this spot. If the price to close here, do I take a put? Hear me out. There's a wick right here, right? And the price closed underneath this level. Do we take a put? No. Why is that? Well, you're facing the VWAP, right? You're above the VWAP, but yet you're below this major level. What do? You wait for a little bit. You want to see a wick here. Once you start to see a wick at this level, then you can, you know, perhaps enter a put. But until then, we're going to wait. We're going to what? Wait. All right, cool. At this point, we can, okay, here we go. We got less than a minute here. Okay, the price came below here now. The price what? Came below here. Below this level. If we were to close below this level, do we take a put? It's the question of the day. The question of the day. You know, I really thought we would have made more than 94 bucks. I did sold for an L at one point accidentally. Maybe that's why I kind of, you know, took a little bit of our profit. But that's still not an excuse. I got some few shout outs I want to do today. Towards the end of this video. So here we go. Wow. Price pushed up. Tesla pushed up that level. We have less than a minute right now for this to close. We're not in any trade right now. We made our money, you know, 120 a day, you know. Wow. All right. What are we seeing right now? The price not only retested here to the VWAP and he got pushed up, and he also now closed above this level. That's why you're seeing wick. So we can take a trade for a call here. That's what normally we would do. That's what you would normally do, by the way. But again, you are risking this major wick here. You're risking a wick here, which you're fine because you got the VWAP supporting you and you got this level supporting you. So your odds are good to make a call. That's essentially what this means. You know, I would have went immediately got in here, but I think I'm gonna call it a day, to be honest. I think my, you know, stability here is not you know what I'm saying? This is nice. If I could have taken a call here. You know what I'm saying? I really expected it's gonna close here. That's why I didn't think of, you know, making a call. But yeah, this would be the case for a call here. All right. So beautiful trade for those who got in. That's part of our strategy. I want to see if we're gonna get a wick on the downside. I think we might get it, but we'll see what happens. Let's take a look at SPY one more time. Nice, nice. So SPY is doing the same thing. I would rather trade SPY for call, right? Yes, we have a wick over here, but I want to see if we can claim this level. I want to see if we can claim this, because if we claim this level, and we also now, guess what? Once we claim this, you know what that also means? That also means we've also claimed the VWAP. So now it's a double pressure up the upside. What did I say earlier, right? If a stock is falling like crazy, right? SPY in this case, falling crazy, but yet the VWAP is following that fall, that is a potential reversal. That's what I've peeped in the past, and I'm going to see if it's going to happen again. History may be repeating, all right? That's what I'm peeping. Ooh, kind of rhymed right there. All right, I think I'm going to have to be a rap. I think I'm going to become a rapper one day then, at this point. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Why do we mark the wick? There's a reason. Look at this. Look at the wick. So now you know, right? Supply and demand, where you find them? Wicks. You find them at the wicks. Let's go. Beautiful call right here. Beautiful, beautiful call right here. And that's how we also took a put here. We took an early put, right? Right after that. But then the price pushed up on us. We had to get out. But then the wick started getting cleared. Then we got back in. You know what I'm saying? Wick started getting pushed back down. Then we started getting in. We got in on that pressure. We said, nope. Going down. And that's we profited from this all the way down here. That was a nice trade. So could you have still traded here? Sure. But I think the second time testing it, I don't know. I wouldn't take a put at this point the second time it's testing it. I would not do that. I would not do that, all right? Let's take a look at SPY. See if it's maintaining that reversal. Nope, it's not. It got a rejection on the VWAP. There we go. That's all right. If you got a rejection on the VWAP, that just means it's not ready yet. It's not ready. Here's what is called a wick, right? There's a wick on the VWAP, got rejected. The price came back to it again. This would have been very risky for me to trade on the put side, because it got pushed back up, and now I got the VWAP again on top right there, and as well as this level. So once you get a better clarity, then you can trade these levels, because it could have like a really nice, reaction, right? On either side. This is so sweet. Like, this is sweet. You know what I'm saying? If those were to close above, I was trying to wait for a call, to be honest. That's what I'm waiting for SPY, for a call. But he rejected it, and that's fine, which is expected. Look at this wick, right? All right, cool. Let's take a look at side by side with Tesla here. We're not taking any more trades. But I do want to observe what's going to happen here. Oh, wow. It broke this level. And now Tesla is rejecting at that same level, which makes sense. Now, can we buy this retest? Yeah, you actually could buy this retest here. You certainly could buy this retest. You could buy this retest, because you have the VWAP supporting you. You could buy it as long as it doesn't go below the VWAP, you're fine. But if you start to cut here and go down, you know what I'm saying? You gotta consider this is what you're going against. Going against these two wicks, and as well as this level rejection. But you have the VWAP on your side, you know what I'm saying? And also the price action. What do we see in the price action? Little nice move up. So okay, at this point you have to start to reconsider, right? You have to say, do I still want to maintain long? As long as that's holding above, you're fine, but you're in a very risky spot. But you are fine. And now you're not fine, because now the price went below the VWAP. It's time to go for a put. Let us prepare for thy puts, madam. Anybody? Nobody. All right, here we go. We went ahead and took a put. As long as we're not seeing no wick here. We cannot see any wick. If we start to see wick, we have to start to get scared. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and just focus on Tesla real quick for you guys. As long as we're not seeing wick, we're fine. We went ahead and entered a put here for Tesla. As long as we're not seeing, we are seeing wick. We're seeing a wick. We gotta be careful. We are seeing wicks, guys. Oh yes, the wick got cleared. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Beautiful move down. We're good. We're gonna continue holding this. The wick got cleared. Good. Very good. Very good. Very good. As long as we're not seeing wick, I'm fine to hold. Right, I'm gonna get one out real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh our P now. Very good. Very good. Okay, I want to give a shout out to this comment here because I'm following his plan. You know what I'm saying? He told me, his name is Ninja something. Give me a second. I'm gonna read it out to him because I'm in a trade. I can't really do that right now. But I do gotta give a shout out to him, to that comment. Okay, we're seeing a wick. We are seeing a wick. All right. It's SPY. It's rejecting. All right. So what are we, bruh? We're gonna see if we can sell this at break even. Because at this point we made our money. We either just get it at break even or just sell it at this level. That's really what it is right now. So I'm just being ready to prepare. If we start to lose this money, this profit, this 27 bucks or so, if this thing retraces back up here, then we can just, sell at break even. We're not gonna lose any money. We're here just to make money at this point. Yeah, I would have gotten along here for this retest, but as soon as it cleared the wick, this level and the view up, I had to switch, and I respect that decision to make the switch. You gotta do that. Don't be attached to an outcome. Don't be attached to your feelings. Trading is a probability game. Good. Okay, we're getting that level here. But can we see this wick here? It got tested here. This is where it bounced up like crazy. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hold this through. I'm gonna hold this through. Ooh. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We need to break this level. If we start to see a wick back up, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. It's expected, right? Why do you think that is? Because it's here. There's a wick here. So a new buyer, new sellers have to step in order to clear these guys. That's just what it has to be. And that's what's likely going to happen because the wick got smaller. Look at that, right? They're getting cleared. New buyer stepped in. Sorry, sellers. New sellers stepped in, right? We're going to go ahead and sell this, guys. I am like, wow, what a break on the downside. What a break. You know what? What a break. I'm just going to call it. All right? I'm going to call it, guys. We took 154. Could I still wait it? Yeah. I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it. All right, I'm gonna call it. I'm going to what? Call it. I've already called it, bro. You're good. Yeah, the wick's still there, which is fine. I think you don't want to be any longer long on what's it called on Tesla anyway. So SPY, damn, SPY really rejected that spot. Absolutely impressive. Absolutely impressive. I really thought it's gonna reverse because the view followed that dip, and I think it might reverse as the time goes. But it's at the end of the day, it's still down. Still down. All right, cool. Let us now regroup, refocus. Let us relax for a little bit right now. We're emotionally rattled, as they say. Can't believe I used that word again. Moment of silence, please. Okay, cool. All right, cool. Let's relax for a little bit, all right? Just be with me here. I think we did very good with our trading today. Not too bad. We took $154 and we're up for the week. I think I'm up 500 plus, maybe 600 plus actually, for the week today. We did very well. We did very, very, very well. All right, cool. I want to give a shout out real quick to this comment in the comment section. And he gave an advice from yesterday's video. I asked you guys, hey, what could I have improved? And that was my plan today, to follow that advice as much as I could, right? And he said, let winners ride. Cut your losers quickly, right? Build a small account, take 15%, right? And he stated, I set profit takes and I move my stop loss into my gain. Does that make sense? Right? He moves his stop loss into his gain, right? Let's say the stop loss here, and you're going for you're going for for a call. This is your stop loss. You got in here. Price started moving up, moving up, moving up. So then what do? You would go ahead and then here's his stop loss. Let's assume, yeah, his stop loss right here, right? Price started moving up, moving up, moving up. So then he moves his stop loss maybe like this level. Now the price is over here, right? And then he would move his stop loss maybe right here, this level. And now the price came here. Maybe this would be his first profit take. Does that make sense? That makes sense. I respect. That's actually really, really, really great advice. And I needed to shout this out for everyone to also benefit. So appreciate you all for joining the channel. Appreciate you all for liking it, and like and subscribe, and so the algorithm can move up to others who are just like us, you know what I'm saying, starting trading and need guidance, so they can see this video for an example, just as how you're benefiting from it. So I appreciate you for doing that. Thanks, bro. For real. So with that all said, HRT out. Enjoy your weekend and have a great weekend, for real. All right, until Monday, take care, everybody. Hey guys, take a look at this. You know what you're looking at? This is SPY. What did I say earlier in my trading? When SPY fell all the way, what did I say? I said that, hey, it looks like SPY might reverse here. We might get a reversal for SPY because the VWAP is following that fall. What, didn't I not say that? Look at that. Look at that. I have seen enough of this pattern. I've seen what? Enough of this pattern. This is what happens when you show up every single day to the market. You get to see this, right? You only see this, of course, when you show up every day, despite how you're feeling. Especially in your early days, you will be tested. Just show up every day. Even if you take that L, go ahead and show up the next day. Sure, take another L. Show up the other day. Because you'll see patterns. And these patterns are so valuable. And all the L's you're taking, and as time goes, and those patterns, you can take them, and they're gonna clear all those L. Look at that. Once the price claimed this level, and as well as claimed here, I could have bought as much calls as I can between here and here. After we had this close and as well as this, I could have bought a lot of dip here. Put like maybe even, you know what I'm saying? And now it's a beautiful reversal. There we go. So the reason why this is, right? Why? So if you think about this, hear me out. The price is falling, right? And this is the VWAP. This is the average price, right? Let's assume it was right just before the, crazy fall. Let's assume right here. Yeah, it's right here. And, let's assume right here. So that's the VWAP right here. This is where the VWAP is at before the crazy fall. And that's the average price. That's what VWAP means, right? Value weighted average. It's the average overall price for everybody, you know what I mean? Buying the price at. As the price is moving away from the average price, as it's moving away, and yet it's getting closer to it. As the price is moving away, but the VWAP is getting close. You know what that means? That means all these dips, they're also being bought up almost simultaneously as they're going up, as they're going down. You could say that. That's kind of how I'm seeing it. Because the very fact that it's dipping and yet the VWAP just follows that dip, it's like, what in the world? So that tells you that there's also buyers in place that are either A, controlling the fall, you know what I'm saying? Not just crazy fall, like actually controlling it, you know what I'm saying? Along with the VWAP coming to it. Because generally, once the price falls like this, the VWAP is usually all the way up here and the price is back here. And slowly the VWAP catches us. Slowly, like barely. Oftentimes the price has to come back to the VWAP and get rejected again and goes back down. And it kind of has that flow. But when it's like this, that means it's controlled. I don't know what you just, in general, like it's following with that fall. That's what I mean by control. So I was right. HRT is right. With this understanding, of course, not always, right? But I am right in recognizing this pattern. This is like the many times I've seen it. Could I have taken this trade? I thought about to myself before I went, recording again. I thought about doing it, but I don't want to do that anymore, because once I mentally check out from trading, I do not trade whatsoever. But I wanted to record and to show you guys this proof. So, all right, guys, take care. See you guys on the next video. All right.